People are making thousands of dollars on Etsy selling digital art they never even drew. All they do is use ChatGPT and a few free AI tools to make stunning artwork that looks completely handmade. The wild part, they don't spend a single dollar on software, and most of them have zero design skills. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do the same. How to create and sell ChatGPT art on Etsy without drawing a thing. You'll see how I find viral art ideas that people actually buy, how to turn ChatGPT prompts into professional-looking art, and how to upload it the right way so it sells fast. I'll even reveal a secret step most sellers skip that makes your store look premium. I've also made a free step-by-step document with all the prompts and tools below. Alright, enough yapping, let's jump into step 1. Finding the kind of AI art that's already making money on Etsy. Finding viral art ideas. Before you make anything, you need to know what people are actually buying. So open Etsy.com, type in keywords like wall art, digital download, or printable quotes. Once results appear, click on top sales or sort by bestsellers. These show what's trending right now. Notice the repeating styles, minimalist line drawings, motivational quotes, boho posters, or vintage travel art. These niches sell month after month because they match the most common home decor themes. Now, click on the listings with over 1,000 reviews or bestseller badges. Study their titles, descriptions, and tags. These reveal the exact keywords buyers use. Scroll through their mockups and thumbnails to see which color tones and fonts attract attention. Avoid copying directly. Instead, note what emotions they trigger: calm, inspiring, cozy, or elegant, and use that as your direction. For deeper research, check Etsy Rank or Insight Factory to see real search volume and trending keywords. Save your favorite listings as references. Once you understand what works, we'll use ChatGPT to help you come up with your own unique art ideas based on these proven trends. Using ChatGPT to create the concept. Most people think ChatGPT only writes essays or emails, but it's secretly an art director too. You can literally tell it to come up with full ideas for printable artwork. Type this in. Write 10 motivational quotes that would look great on minimalist posters for Etsy. It'll give you ready-to-use lines like "good energy only" or "grow at your own pace." Then take it one step further. Ask ChatGPT to describe the visual concept for each quote. For example, describe an AI art prompt that matches the quote "good energy only" in a modern pastel style. ChatGPT will give you a detailed image prompt you can use in any image generator. It's that simple. You don't need to be creative or know design theory. ChatGPT does the thinking for you. Save the best prompts and quotes, because in the next step, we'll turn them into actual high-quality artwork using free AI tools anyone can access. Turning prompts into real art. Free AI tools. Now that you've got your creative prompts ready, it's time to bring them to life. For this, you can use free tools like Leonardo AI, Bing Image Creator, or Playground AI. Let's go with Leonardo AI. Create a free account and paste in the prompt ChatGPT gave you. Choose your preferred art style. Maybe watercolor for calm home decor, digital illustration for bold designs, or minimal line art for modern vibes. Set the image ratio to square or portrait, since those work best for Etsy posters. Then hit generate and wait a few seconds. If the result looks off, don't worry. Tweak your prompt by adding words like high quality, soft lighting, or trending Etsy printable. You'll instantly get better results. You can also enable upscaling to make the image sharper for printing. Within 15 minutes, you can have 10 to 15 beautiful designs ready to sell. Download your favorites in high-resolution PNG format so they look crisp when printed. And remember, you just created professional artwork without drawing a single line. Now let's make these images look premium using a quick Canva trick. Making your art look professional. Your art might already look good, but the presentation is what makes people click. Head over to canva.com and create a free account. Start a new design with a size like 11 by 14 inches or 8 by 10. These are Etsy's best-selling print sizes. Upload your AI-generated images, drag them onto the canvas, and center them nicely. Adjust brightness or contrast if needed. If your design includes a quote, use clean fonts like Montserrat or Playfair Display. Keep it minimal and balanced. You can even add a small artist signature or brand name in the corner to make it feel real. Next, type wall frame mockup in Canva's search bar. Drop your poster design into a mockup. This makes it look like a real photo hanging on a wall. Download your mockup as a PNG. Now you've turned a simple AI image into a high-end digital art product. Let's upload it to Etsy and make it ready to sell. Setting up your Etsy listing. Now that your art is ready, it's time to make your store live. Go to Etsy and click Sell on Etsy. Choose a store name that fits your vibe, something simple like Pixel Mind Prints or AI Art Studio. If you're stuck, ask ChatGPT to generate 10 Etsy shop names for a digital art store. Once inside, click Add a Listing. Upload your art file as a digital download, not a physical product. Use your mock-up as the first image. Add a catchy title. ChatGPT can help again. Just say, write an Etsy title for a minimalist printable wall art. Copy its answer and paste it into your listing. Fill tags like printable wall art, AI poster, and boho decor. Set your price between $5 and $15 depending on quality. Add a description that highlights instant download and high resolution. That's it. Your first AI artwork is now for sale. Next, let's get your first views and customers. Getting views and sales fast. The fastest way to get sales is to bring eyes to your store. Etsy's algorithm rewards activity, so keep your shop alive by uploading new designs consistently, at least 2 or 3 every week. Each new listing gives you a chance to appear in search results again. Next, use Pinterest to drive free traffic. Create a business account, upload your mock-ups, and link each pin to your Etsy shop. Pinterest is full of people decorating their homes, so it's one of the best places to get buyers fast. You can also repurpose your mock-ups into short videos for TikTok or YouTube Shorts using Canva. Add subtle animation, text like, "Hey, I made this art," and calm background music. Use trending hashtags such as #AI art, #ETSY shop, and #digital download to reach more people. Reply to every comment, favorite other listings, and update your shop banner once a month. Etsy notices engagement. Avoid wasting money on ads early on. Consistency, new uploads, and keyword-rich titles are what make the algorithm trust you. Once your first sale hits, Etsy starts promoting your art even more, scaling and monetizing smartly. Once your shop starts getting sales, it's time to multiply results. The easiest way is by creating bundles. Take 5 to 6 similar artworks and list them together as a printable wall art pack. You can price bundles at $20 or more since buyers feel they're getting a deal. Next, create seasonal collections. For example, Christmas prints, spring flowers, or motivational office art. You can even offer personalized prints by adding names or quotes using ChatGPT and Canva. It takes seconds but lets you charge extra. Over time, your digital products become passive income. You create once, and it sells forever. To boost visibility, update listings with new keywords every month. Keep learning what works by watching your analytics. And if you want to speed things up, consider joining small Etsy or AI art communities where people share strategies and free templates. Alright, now let's wrap this up with a quick recap and your next action steps. So here's the game plan. First, find what's trending on Etsy. Then use ChatGPT to generate your quotes and prompts. Turn those prompts into stunning artwork using free AI image tools. Polish everything in Canva, upload your listings, and start sharing them on Pinterest or TikTok to get traffic. You don't need design skills, money, or followers. Just consistency. Remember, people are literally making passive income while sleeping because they took that first small step, and you can do the same starting today. If you want all the prompts, AI tools, and templates from this video, check out the free document link below. It's everything you need to follow along step by step. And if you want to connect with others doing the same thing, join my free Discord community. Links down there too. That's it for today's video. Go create your first AI artwork, upload it, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.